How to track order on Shop app. First things first, Shop app is actually a digital shopping assistant and marketplace created by Shopify that helps users discover and purchase products from online stores built on Shopify. So what you want to do is, of course, run the latest version of Shop application directly from Google Play Store. Open up Shop app and then make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, at the very first instance, you should be able to see your profile icon located at the top right-hand corner. So whenever you tap on that, you will automatically be seeing order history. So order history is going to be the ones, or that specific feature is going to be the ones that will tell you on what is the current status of the order that you purchased from this application right here. It will also provide you tracks on where uh, the update of your shipment is already in. And that is it. That is how you track orders on Shop app.